You got the little hiccups? Ooh. Say hi. Hi, everybody. Hiccup. Yeah, you got the hiccups. Yeah, you do. Oh, there's those eyes. You know, when the camera gets on you, open them eyes wide. Huh? Yeah, it's too bright over here. You send this to Uncle Tim and Mom. Maybe little hiccups.